Good morning, dear students. In last video, we had started with our letter writing and we had finished with our one part of the letter, that was informal letter. Today, we are going to study about a formal letter. Now, this letter also we had studied last year. So, just we have to revise this letter. So, let us start. The second type of the letter writing is formal or business letter. Now, formal letters are addressed to official authorities, would be employers, newspaper editor, etc. It we can write these letters to any of the government offices, like for example, the Gram Panchayat, the municipal commission, the municipal commissioner, then for the electricity offices. So these formal letters are written for the official authorities. Such letters required specific or formal wordings. They are in brief or to the point. Now in this letter, the words or the language which is used, it should be very formal. Second thing, it is to the point. Extra things we should not write in this letter. In formal letter, there are two addresses: sender address, receiver address. Now this sender address and receiver address we will see in the format. Now let us see only the general format. Sender address, as we had seen in the informal letter, pin code, date, same as it was there in the informal letter. Now here, as I said, that in formal letter there are two addresses. So in fourth point, name of the receiver. For example, if you are writing a letter to the newspaper editor, so you have to write the name of the newspaper. If the designation is given, designation means the person who is working in that company or in that field, who is that. For example, if you are writing to the newspaper, the editor, okay, and address of the receiver, whatever the address is there of the receiver, that you have to write. Subject, a phrase about the general content of the letter. Now fifth one is subject. Subject means for what purpose you are writing. For example, if you are writing, as I said, to the newspaper, so for what purpose you are writing. Example, cutting of the trees are more in cities, so you can write under subject you have to write, and you have to write for taking strict action on cutting of the trees, okay, and you have to highlight it. Then the next is reference, referring to previous received letter or advertisement. Now actually this part it is used in applications. For example, if applications are given in the any job, necessity of job wanted, for example, you see the column in newspaper, if teacher is required for drawing, for example, so they give the ad in the newspaper. Same way, after writing the subject, you have to write reference, from where you got the reference. For example, if you are writing an application, you write reference from Times of India, dated whatever date the news was, the advertisement was given, that date you have to give and continue. The next is salutation, that you know already, dear sir or simply sir or madam. Body of the letter in 3 or 4 paragraph. Complimentary close, yours faithfully or yours truly, etc. And last is sender name. So also show you the general format. I hope you understood this, whatever I had taught you now. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.